Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize user interface design with Figma. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Figma and create a new design file. Begin by setting up your project's dimensions. Use the frame tool to create artboards for different devices. Define a clear and consistent color palette. Access the Color Styles panel to save and apply your colors. Choose appropriate typography that aligns with your brand. Utilize the text tool to add headings and body text. Ensure that font sizes and weights maintain a clear hierarchy. Incorporate grid and layout systems to maintain alignment. Use auto layout features for responsive design elements. Add components for repeatable design elements like buttons and icons. Create prototypes to simulate user interactions. Incorporate feedback loops by sharing your prototype for review. Test your design with real users for usability. Iterate based on user feedback to refine your interface. Ensure accessibility standards are met for diverse users. Export your designs or share them directly with developers. Review your design against best practices for UI design. Finalize all elements for a polished user interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.